My name's Casper Jones. I handcraft skateboards for Life Skateboards, and you're watching Days with Casper. This is a series called Life Takes Shape, where I'm going to show you a shape we make here at Life Skateboards, and then take you through the steps I'm responsible for before we throw some graphics on them. There are a lot of shapes and options here at Life Skateboards, so when you're done with this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and check us out. And don't forget to subscribe. You can catch me doing this work live and ask any questions you've got for me. If you catch those lives, you'll see the rest of the process, like gluing, pressing, cutting, and even graphic applications. But for this series, we're going to focus on shaping. Hope you enjoy Life Takes Shape. Today on Life Takes Shape, we have the large Panhead from Life Skateboards. This is a fun one. It's got a length of 33.125, width of 9.75, a 7.2-inch nose, a 7-inch tail, and a 15-inch wheelbase. But don't forget, you can get whatever wheelbase you want. Just go over to lifeskateboards.com after this video and get yourself a Life. I'm going to shut up and shape it. Panhead from Life Skateboards is ready for graphics. Head over to lifeskateboard.com and get a life. Go ahead and subscribe for me so you can catch my lives and see the rest of the process. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Life Takes Shape.